What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the 6-month update on the Rev 9 coilovers. You guys been asking me a lot of questions about this coilovers, and I just want to give you some answers, and I want to tell you guys what not to do and how to prepare for your coilovers in the winter time, because I sure didn't. I had some issues, but I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. A lot of guys have been replying to me. I want to give a shout out to Civic 12 Honda, and he told me, "Mutt legit, is this the lowest these Rev 9 coils can go for the rears? My setup is similar to yours, where I have 1 finger gap on the front and 2 finger gap on the rear, but I'm on springs and shocks combo." So I'm gonna answer that question. Yes, you can lower your setup in the rear lower than 2 fingers. Mine's on 1 finger. I'm pretty sure you can slam it. I don't mean like super slam it, but I'm pretty sure you can slam it, because when I was installing my wheels on the car, if you want to see that video, not the wheel video, but the new Civic reveal, it'd be right here. Now, I don't know about if you can slam it all the way. I don't know about that, okay? I'm gonna have to do my research on that, but I'm pretty sure you can. So if you want to go out there and slam your car on the Rev 9 coilovers, just make sure you do your research. Always remember, roll those fenders before you go down any further than the tires. Once you go past the tires, you're in danger. You are in danger once you go past the tires. Trust me, okay? Do not slam your coilovers to the ground if you have not rolled your fenders. That's a big no-no in the car community. So let's jump into the next question and see what somebody else asked me. Amar Gonzalez G commented, do you still have the Rev 9 coilovers on? If so, how are they running? They're running great. I don't have any issues on the road with these Rev 9 coilovers. Only issue I have with my Rev 9 coilovers, I didn't take care of them properly in the winter time like I should. Fitment Industries, and they always give you like educational videos on how you do things. So I did not know you're supposed to take care of your coilovers. You know, I thought you just put them on there and that'd be it. But no, every season you should properly take care of your coilovers, because if you don't, you end up like me. When I was trying to install my wheels and I'm trying to lower my car, it didn't get, when I tried to lower my car, the car would not go down. And I was like, I was scratching my head like, this is wrong. This is wrong. Why is my car not going down? I need my car to go down. So I knew the problem was I wasn't taking care of my coilovers. I wasn't. And that was messing me up every single time. Like, I wasn't taking care of my coilovers, and I was mad at myself, like, you should know better than that. And me personally, when it's cold outside in the winter, like, forget it. I'm not going out there. I'm not going out there in 30-degree weather. And where you guys from, it might be a little bit colder. So I don't know. And usually in Georgia, it don't get cold, but we had a little cold last year, and I just didn't want to go outside and work on anything. That's why you didn't see any car videos for 3 months or 4 months, because I don't deal with the cold, okay? The heat is where I live. It's kind of strange, but I love the summertime. So, yes, these coilovers are good. They're running good. You should have any problems, should not have any problems. Let me read this other comment somebody asked me. Brandon Bohan asked me, are these hard to install, and what is the best way to get all 4 coilovers adjusted to the same height? Now, the best way to get all 4 coilovers adjusted to the same height, and no, they're not hard to install. Me and my dad did approximately 2 days because we started late, but no, these coilovers not hard to install. When you install coilovers, if you're doing it by yourself or just doing it with a friend, take your time, watch YouTube videos like I did, and it's very easy, you know what I'm saying? I thought it would be hard, but once you get started, you're like, man, this is really easy. You know what I'm saying? Just take the old suspension out and put the new suspension in. Yeah, they're not hard, but he want to know, how do I get them all adjusted to the same height? And the rear is going to be a little bit more difficult because the front is always lower than the rear. Before you install these coilovers, just put them on like they are. Don't adjust nothing. Don't do nothing, just put them on like they are. Take a step back and you look at them like, okay, now I can see where I need to adjust it. Usually, you're gonna adjust in the rear. Not the front. I didn't adjust none of my coilovers in the front because my coilovers was perfect in the front. But the rear, that's where the coilovers, where you're gonna do the most adjusting, because there's a 2 finger was it? Yeah, it was a 2-finger gap. And that's how I just left that 2-finger gap when I first had mine. But if you want to go a bit lower, you can. They're easy to adjust, but you make sure you gotta install them first before you start adjusting them. Because if you adjust them before you install them, you're gonna be very off. You're gonna be mad because you got one side like this, and you're gonna be like, what the heck?
That's not that low.
You're not that low.
We might have forgotten to measure the other coilover.
Tell you guys this. You will feel a difference. You will feel a difference if you get wheels on your car. If you're driving on stock wheels, you're gonna feel a little bit more bumpiness. But if you get a bigger setup, a bigger tire width, you will feel a difference. Because I feel a difference with the new tires on my car. So it's mainly about how your setup is. Properly maintenance your coilovers every season. I did not do that, okay? I want you guys to learn from my mistakes. So if you're watching this video, just make sure you do that. Always, I'm always here commenting. If you have any questions, just hit me up in any of my videos. I don't care what they are, just hit me up, because I'm gonna respond back. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna respond back, help you guys get these coilovers. If you have any more videos you want me to do about the RevNow coilovers, just let me know. I'm here to help. I'm here to always just trying to be there for somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what we're supposed to do as people. But like I said before, please roll your fenders, and always maintenance your coilovers through every season. If you don't know who I am, you've been watching my videos like, man, I should subscribe to them, just hit the subscribe button. Just hit it. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, I'm not gonna hurt. Okay? I'm not gonna waste your money. I'm gonna give honest reviews on anything I put on my car. Honest reviews, you know what I'm saying? Always will find me on this channel. I'm legit. I'm uploading, trying to get a video out every week if I can. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and watch more videos. But if you've been here for a while, you know the saying, legit is out.